Low-fat recipe for seniors. Oats and vegetable soup. Smiling. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our healthy cooking series. Today, we're making a delicious and nutritious low-fat oats and vegetable soup. Perfect for seniors who want a light yet satisfying meal. It's easy to make, full of fiber, and gentle on digestion. Let's get started. Ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1 small carrot, finely chopped, 1/2 cup spinach, chopped, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 cups water or low-sodium vegetable broth, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon olive oil. Cooking process. Heating oil in a pan. First, heat a teaspoon of olive oil in a pan. Add cumin seeds and let them crackle for a few seconds. Then, add chopped onions and garlic. Sauté until they turn soft and aromatic. Adding chopped vegetables. Now, add the chopped carrots and cook for a minute. Next, pour in 2 cups of vegetable broth and bring it to a gentle boil. This will enhance the flavor while keeping it light and healthy, adding oats and spinach. Once the broth is simmering, add the rolled oats. Stir well and let it cook for about 5 minutes until the oats soften. Then, add the chopped spinach and season with black pepper and a pinch of salt. Soup thickening, stirring gently. As the soup thickens, keep stirring occasionally. The oats will add a creamy texture without the need for any heavy cream or butter. Serving the soup. Visual. Pouring the soup into a bowl, garnishing with fresh herbs. And just like that, our healthy and delicious oats and vegetable soup is ready. This soup is packed with fiber, vitamins, and essential nutrients, making it a perfect low-fat meal for seniors. Taking a small sip and smiling. Warm, comforting, and so nutritious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy meals. See you in the next one. Stay healthy, stay happy.